The best way to keep school members. I work for a community making $250K a month, made that to school, was a modern schoolers, and other stuff too. The best way to keep members in your school community is to nail the onboarding. What is the onboarding? The onboarding is right after somebody joins your community, what are the steps they take? There's 3 variables to onboarding. The expectations set on the about page. So if you give a lead magnet, right, something they're joining for, and it's a 6-week workout plan, then right as they join, then they need to see, okay, where is the 6-week workout plan? What is the expected value that they're coming in with, and how can you deliver on that and hopefully over deliver on that as quickly as possible? And then there's price of the community. So if it's a free community, then the onboarding should be way shorter than if it's a community for like $100 a month, right? Because with the free community, people are coming in for something with an agenda in mind most of the time. Unless you frame the about page as a community, but they're coming in with something they want value. So you need to give that to them as quickly as possible and kind of skip the details. And traffic source. So you can see communities like that are coming from TikTok, most of the audience, or Instagram. So the onboarding is like a vertical video instead of horizontal video. So that is really, really huge. And those are kind of the 3 variables to onboarding. Alrighty, goodbye.